Right then, Mandigos, let's get back into it. As you can see, I've already started sanding this. And then I'm going to prime it. And then we're going to paint it with an anti-foul. We're going to give it 2 coats anti-foul. It keeps everything from sticking at the bottom like algae and little critters and that want to cling on to the bottom of your boat. And it keeps your boat nice and streamlined in the water. Say it was blue at one point underneath. We're going for a grey. We're going to go for a nice grey. And then we're going to add some more grey into the boat as we go on. That's the plan anyway. Let's do it. Let's have it. The old wax on, wax off technique. Pretty simple. Just spread the polish about with a brush. And then take it back off with your polisher. I am going to do a video as well to explain this in more detail. So now I'm going to be polishing, I'm going to be sanding, and I'm going to be painting the hull all at the same time. While the boat's out, makes sense. So I'm going to play the full version of Hotter Than the Sun by the Crystal Ship. While you watch me go, let's do it.
Forged in steel, built to
This is how we like it. Absolutely. Look at the top. Top's minging still. The bottom is looking wow wow wee wow. It's amazing, let's be honest. If you think I was going to let go, this little creature here, absolutely no chance. That's getting walloped. Yeah, I couldn't let the OCD crew deal with that. Wouldn't sleep at night if I'd left that on there all night. Oh, it's amazing. It's not going to be bang on like. Oh, what doesn't? Look at that, man.
No blistering so far.
Huh?
No blistering so far.
Looking good so far.
Yeah. No blistering on the head.
Unprofessional, man. We're expecting defaults. Oh! Ah! Oh, man. Look at that.
Perfect line.
Perfect. Every time.
Very good.
It's good, doesn't it?
Yeah, that is perfection.
Perfection. That's what I like to hear. Let's go get another coat on there now.